Hello and welcome to Dr. Nora's Clinic. Happy Celiac Awareness Week. Today I'll be talking to you all about celiac disease and the gluten-free diet. But what is gluten? Gluten is a product that we find in some of our foods, including wheat, barley and rye. It's important for patients who suffer from celiac disease to avoid gluten, as it can cause symptoms of tummy upset such as tummy pains, weight loss and tiredness. But what is celiac disease? Celiac disease is a serious medical condition that affects about 1 in 70 Australians. However, 80% of them remain undiagnosed. Celiac disease affects the small bowel, so that when gluten is consumed in the diet, it causes an inflammatory reaction and hence causing those symptoms. But how is celiac disease diagnosed? If you're worried about celiac disease, then your doctor will perform a simple blood test. It's important that if you're going to have this blood test, that you should have eaten gluten for the preceding 6 weeks, otherwise the result may come up as negative. Your doctor then may wish to refer you on to a specialist for more specific investigations. What is the treatment of celiac disease? Well, if you are diagnosed with celiac disease, it's important that you avoid any products that do contain gluten, as this will lead to less symptoms. You may also benefit from seeing a dietitian to give you advice on what you can and can't eat. Patients who suffer from celiac disease are at a slightly increased risk of developing other diseases, such as type 1 diabetes, thyroid problems, and thinning of the bones, otherwise known as osteoporosis. There is also a slightly increased risk of developing lymphoma later on in life, which is cancer of the gut. However, if you maintain a diet that contains no gluten, then those risks are to be reduced and you'll have a normal, healthy lifespan. But what about just going on a gluten-free diet in general? Well, we know there are loads of different celebrity diets and trends and fads that are emerging every day. Interestingly, a large study that was recently conducted in the USA by researchers from Harvard actually showed that gluten doesn't appear to increase the risk of heart disease. However, if you go down a supermarket aisle and you see the gluten-free range, they tend to be more health-focused, but that's not always a guarantee, so it's really important to check the nutritional value and the breakdown, because having a gluten-free cake may not necessarily be the healthiest option. Thanks for watching, and if you do have any questions, feel free to drop me a line in the comment section below. And if you are concerned that you suffer from celiac disease, please don't hesitate to pop by and see me in clinic or visit your local general practitioner. But for now, take care and stay healthy.